Whale activity in Shiba Inu coin is exploding. 830% increases. Well, what do you think they're doing? They're buying the dip. And guys, as Bitcoin is rising today, Shiba Inu coin is rising, Ethereum's back up, Solana's back up. The cryptocurrency market is green. I believe that people are starting to look forward to what is about to happen instead of worried about what is about to happen. The administration change here in the United States is gearing up to bring a lot of prosperity to the cryptocurrency space. Whales are paying attention. They're buying. You've got a lot of analysts that were concerned about Jerome Powell's comments that there wouldn't be any interest rate cuts or we would do less interest rate cuts in 2025. All of those fears seem to be subsiding at the moment, and we're starting to get a nice little bounce. We're going to be talking about it in this video. We're going to be talking about the whales in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over whale buys in this video. But if you guys have not been diversifying, because you can go on to these Shiba Inu coin whale wallets, SHIB is not the only asset that they own. If you want to diversify into some of the smaller meme coins that have those explosive 10, 20, 50, 100x possibilities, make sure to check out Wall Street Pepe. Now, Wall Street Pepe it's still in the pre-sale stages. It's an ICO. They're building a trading community, or essentially think about like a Wall Street Bets from 2020, 2021. A trading group where you need Wall Street Pepe to have exclusive access to this group. You cannot get in it any other way. And on top of that, the demand itself just speaks for itself. $48 million raised, essentially in the last 4 weeks. Guys, these people have been just soaring and pouring into Wall Street Pepe. Couple of reasons I think they're doing so. Number one, they want that exclusive access. Number two, the demand itself. People want to be where the money is, and the money is clearly going to Wall Street Pepe. But a lot of people, right? And this is what people might be missing. A lot of people who invested in Pepe Unchained and 7x their money, took that profit and poured it into Wall Street Pepe. This isn't a bunch of people who are closing their eyes and crossing their fingers. This is a bunch of people who have already 7x their money in Pepe Unchained. They know what they're doing, and they're going to try and do it again. So because of that, I am very excited about Wall Street Pepe, so make sure to check that link out down in the description below so you guys can get a little bit more information about it and make the decision. In full disclosure, I have bought in, and if you guys need a video on how to buy in, I've got that on my channel. Just type it in. So it says Shiba Inu coin SHIB witnesses an 830% explosion in whale activity. But who controls the flows? It says, as became known thanks to the data from Into the Block, the amount of Shiba Inu coin token outflowing from wallets of large holders in the last 24 hours skyrocketed by a staggering 475%. According to on-chain data, the amount of SHIB, which left addresses controlling no less than 0.1% of the circulating supply of the popular meme coin, soared from 223 billion to over 1.06 trillion. Despite an almost five-fold increase in just the course of a day, the net flow of Shiba Inu coin tokens to these wallets remained positive as the total inflows were 1.44 trillion Shiba Inu coin, which brings the net figure to 382 billion SHIB. This is, by the way, almost an 830% increase, or 830% more than the day before, which is a clear indication that inflows of the meme coin to the biggest wallets is accelerating. One can see the growth outflows from these addresses as bearish, meaning that whales are getting rid of their SHIB holdings. However, it recently became known that most of Shiba Inu coin's circulating supply is held by exchanges. Who did that recently become known to? What? Maybe this guy. Maybe it recently became known to this guy. Such a suggestion, if true, puts this on-chain data into a whole nother context. Thus, the growing net flows of SHIB to so-called large holders may be viewed as traders and investors depositing their meme coins to exchanges, which in turn may mean an intention to sell. This dude is trying to twist this like crazy right now. No, that is not necessarily true, guys. Oh my gosh. Because these large holders, no. an inflow to large holders, right, does not mean that people are intending to sell, because there are a majority of exchanges that are large holders. So do not worry about the twisting of wording, and do not let this confuse you. Whales buying Shiba Inu coin inflows are very important, because a lot of these inflows are coming from exchanges. They're coming from Uniswap and going to these wallets. It's not an accumulation of tiny little wallets sending to big wallets, and that would be a different case. It says, one thing is for certain, there's an increase in whale activity in Shiba Inu coin. Yes, absolutely. Gamza, you got that one right. It is both for buyers and sellers. However, who is prevalent remains open for question. Perhaps the truth will be foretold by the price action in Shiba Inu coin in the coming days. Perhaps it will. Shiba Inu coin, guys, doing exactly what we expected it to do. Bouncing off this horizontal support and bouncing off the ascending support. Not only did we wick down just like we expected, I can't say we expected it, right? That's essentially what we were hoping for, was a wick down right back up above this ascending trend line. It did it back here, did it here, and it is maintaining this trend line right now, which is an excellent sign. So nothing's expected. You can't predict the future, but with technical analysis, this is what a lot of traders were looking at. And because we're starting to turn green today, because we're right back up above this ascending trend line, Shiba Inu coin is still extremely bullish. Whales are viewing this as their opportunity to buy Shiba Inu coin at very cheap prices. They expect a bull market rally in 2025. I expect a bull market rally in 2025. And Shiba Inu coin being at a major level of support right now means that it is an excellent buying opportunity, which is exactly what this article is covering. 300 plus billion Shiba Inu coin in net inflows to large wallets. And it is much more than that if you include all of the smaller wallets. People are buying SHIB, guys. That's why the price is up today. People are buying Bitcoin. People are buying XRP. Prices are green today. And look, XRP is ready to break out. It broke out of the bull flag, and it's simply testing this $2.50 level of resistance right now. A lot of people got very excited about XRP after the election. Bitcoin doing very well to bounce back up and potentially test this $100,000 level today. Shiba Inu coin doing very well. It's down. It's not testing fresh highs, but it is maintaining these levels of support. So because of this, I am accumulating. I am buying. I believe in the 2025 bull market cycle. And if you guys want to as well, you've got links for the KSEX exchange, and you've got links for the BitUnix exchange. Each of these have their own benefits. BitUnix allows you to trade on up to 125x leverage, down to 1x leverage. And they also have copy trading where you guys can make 10% of your followers' profits, and bot trading coming in Q1 of this year. The KSEX exchange, by far the best selection of meme coins that I have seen in the United States. You guys can scroll through, even if you just, click that link. All you got to do to sign up for this exchange is put your email in. You got to create an account, right? But scroll through, see their meme coins that they have to offer. Check out the leverage that they have, 100x leverage down to 5x leverage, so a little less lenient, but leverage nonetheless. Hope you guys understand the risk to reward ratio of leverage trading before you do so. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.